Hi folks, we're in Module 5. We're looking at the novice problems and we're looking at problem 3. And I'm doing this with XLMiner.com, the newly discovered website that allows us to do some of the things that the downloaded software will do in Excel. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our data. I'm going to do that. Let me get out of this. I'm going to get our data, and remember what we do with our data is we place our data in a single spreadsheet. It's just the easiest way to do it. It's too difficult to try to upload an entire workbook. So here's our data for problem 3. You can see that there are approximately, not approximately, but exactly 50 records with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fields. Okay, and we want to do a parallel coordinate system with this. So let's go to our XLMiner. Here's XLMiner, and I'm going to get rid of what I had in there before. Let's go get our data. I've named this data, as you will see in a second, XLMiner.com version of problem 3, conveniently named. I hit OK. I upload, and now over here in the right, kind of the navigation area, you can see our sheet. I place my cursor there. I hit View, and there's my data. My data is from B2 to I52. Now let's go to Explore, Chart Wizard. Let's select the parallel coordinates, and let's go to B2, and remember we have first row or headers, colon I52. I hit OK. Sometimes you get this weird graph. It's only because you can't get enough graph on a single page, so it's kind of what follows. So simply hit the back arrow and you'll see what we've got here. Now I've got too much stuff on here. I told you what I wanted was, I don't want the homeowner. I want credit score, years of credit history, revolving balance, revolving utilization. I don't want decision. I want homeowner number, I believe, and I don't want decision number. So hit OK, and there's our data. And then I want to colorize it by decision. And there we go. We can see the progression through the various coordinates of the positive decisions and the negative decisions. This data was about either giving someone a loan or not giving them a loan, and we can see that the blue represents those who were given a loan, the orange those that were not given a loan. And we do see some patterns here. Very high utilization for those that were not given a loan, low utilization for those that were given a loan. So the blues had more debt capacity than the orange. Little less obvious in some of the other coordinates, but looks like a high credit score is better than a low credit score in terms of getting the loan. Now, one of the problems is that this particular site will not let you save, or at least I haven't been able to figure out how to save a chart like this. So what we have to do is use our snippet tool. Here's my snipping tool. I hit New. I go over here, grab my chart. I can copy it, and now I can move it over into an Excel worksheet. As a matter of fact, let me go back to the worksheet where we have the data, and voila, there it is. Really kind of a very neat tool. It's a little awkward using this website in the beginning. It's a beta site, so it's not fully developed yet, but or maybe it is. They developed only what they want, but it is tantalizing. You can get these charts, and they really do provide a lot of information. All right, that's the end of problem 3, the xlminer.com version of it in mod 5.